Hello and welcome back to Mark's Garden UK from Rose Cottage near Nantwich in Cheshire. This here is my Mediterranean scented border. In there I've got lots of lavender, rosemary, thyme. There's a few box plants in there for winter structure, and I've got my standard lollipop olive trees here which punctuate it along its length, and it runs along this little cobble path at the side of the cottage. That was deliberate because I wanted to create something which, when you brush past it, the sunlight and the movement of the plants would emit all those lovely Mediterranean scents and essential oils into the air. And in fact, that's what I can smell right now, having just brushed past it. And I wish there was smelly vision, but clearly there isn't. Anyway, the lavender has been an absolute triumph this year. I'm so pleased with it. Less than 12 months ago, these plants were about the same size as a grapefruit, and now look at them, a metre across. And there's going to come a time soon when I have to prune those, otherwise they'll just get leggy and woody and they'll be no good next year. So it begs the question, what do I do with all those flowers? Millions and millions of lavender flowers. Well, the first thing I know I'm going to do is leave them a bit longer, because they're still, even in early September, covered in hundreds of bees feasting on that nectar. That's another one of the reasons why I did this, because I like a wildlife friendly garden. So I'm going to leave them for now, but then what will I do with all these lovely lavender flowers when I prune them? I don't want to waste them. I've got a few ideas myself. The first one is to kind of strip all the flowers off and see if I can buy some kind of little tea bags and put them inside and make kind of those scented bags that you leave in your drawers or you put under your pillow. And the other thing is you could take a bunch of these and kind of wrap some string round and make a posy. I could put them on a table in the corner of the garden. People walking past can have them for free. At least it's not going to waste. What else could I do? Well, I have seen a video where a lady harvested all the flowers and bought a still and distilled the essential oils out of the lavender. So there's another option. So there's 3 options I've got already. What would you do? Tell me, have you got any ideas with what I could do with all this lovely lavender blossom so that it doesn't just go in the recycling bin or on the compost heap? I'd love to hear from you. And if you give me some good ideas in the next few weeks, I might even try them out in a video, and I'll name check you if it was your idea. So come on, come at me with some ideas on how or what to do with all this lovely lavender in the Mediterranean scented border. Now, I've already mentioned getting some little tea bags and filling them up, and you could place them in your drawers in your bedroom or under your pillow. I've also mentioned making posies and also mentioned buying a still. If you've already done that and you know how to do it, or a better way of doing it rather than me just go at it and guessing it, please do let me know in the comments box below this video. So that's it for this little video. I apologise if the thumbnail was a bit deceptive, because I'm not telling you what to do with lavender flowers. I'm asking you what you think I should do with my lavender flowers. Answers on a postcard in the comments box below this video. And I'll see you soon for some more lavender adventures. Bye for now.